AI won't take your job, but this person will. Let me say something uncomfortable. AI is not coming for your job. Your coworker is, the one who knows how to use AI. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why millions of smart, hardworking people are being quietly replaced and how the system is rewarding those who adapt. Stay till the end because the last part might change how you think about your career forever. Every generation believes technology will destroy jobs. It happened with machines, it happened with computers, and now it's happening with artificial intelligence. But history tells us something different. Jobs don't disappear. People who refuse to evolve do. Today, we're going to talk about the biggest career shift of our lifetime and why AI is creating winners and losers faster than ever before. The biggest lie you've been told is that AI replaces humans. That's not true. AI replaces inefficiency. Companies don't wake up thinking, let's fire humans. They wake up thinking, how do we cut cost and increase output? And when one employee can now do the work of 5 using AI tools, the math becomes obvious. Examples: a marketer using AI writes 10x faster. A data analyst using AI analyzes in minutes. A customer support agent handles 3x tickets. Same job title, completely different value. We're entering a new era, not rich versus poor, not degree versus no degree. AI users versus non-users. 2 people, same role, same salary. One learns AI, one ignores it. 6 months later, one becomes irreplaceable, the other becomes optional. AI doesn't eliminate jobs, it eliminates excuses. From a company's perspective, this is a dream: faster output, fewer errors, lower cost. And here's the scary part. Companies don't even announce replacements anymore. They just stop rehiring. No drama, no headlines, just quiet replacement. Let's be clear, no job is 100% safe, but some people are far safer than others. People who use AI as leverage, people who learn faster than they complain, people who adapt before they're forced to. Important. This isn't about panic, it's about preparation. Here's the twist nobody tells you. AI is creating more opportunity than it's destroying. The problem: most people are waiting to be told what to do. Examples: AI operators, AI workflow builders, AI-assisted freelancers, AI-powered creators. You don't need to be technical, you need to be useful. The future doesn't belong to the smartest, it belongs to the fastest learners. In 5 years, people won't ask, "What's your degree?" They'll ask, "What can you do with AI?" And by then, it will already be too late for many. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. That means you're paying attention. If you want to stay relevant in the AI age, subscribe to this channel. I break down how AI is reshaping jobs, careers, and income without hype, without fear, and without fake promises. And comment below, are you using AI in your work yet, or still watching from the sidelines?